This one is called Elephantopus scaber. Sanskrit name is Hastipaada, that is elephant foot. And it's a plant of the shady areas where there's plenty of shade, and full canopy plant actually. So it loves shade. There's a place under the trees and it's vacant, too much of shade, then this is the plant. And it flowers from October to almost December. And it's a native species of our Karnataka and India. Very beautiful plants also. It has one small, the plant structure is like this. So the main part is this one. This part, four leaves are there at the base, all spread out, and then one stem will emerge, and that one contains these flowers. And by evening this flower shuts down, so if you want to get a good look, you have to come in the daytime, in the afternoons. So the kind of place where it grows, this full shade is there.